What? Welcome back to Can Family. You already know what time it is. Yes, it's your boy General Spooky, and today we are talking about what? How to freeze time. Yes, family, you have the spiritual ability to literally freeze time. I repeat, you have the spiritual ability to freeze time. So if that interests you at all, you know what I mean? Stay tuned to this video because we will be getting into the tip. Also, with that being said, welcome to Can Family. Yes, I've been absent for a little second, but trust me, I got so many tips and gems, literally hundreds for you that they're second to none. Oh my goodness, like I can't wait to share with y'all. And this one right here, like how to freeze time. Literally, you have the spiritual ability to freeze time. You have spiritual superpowers to freeze time. So yes, let's hop straight into it. Boom. Let's hop into some examples, okay? So I can get you guys familiar with it a little bit. Okay, look. We've all, I'm more than sure, have been in the situation before to where like you're rushing out the house, or you know what I mean, you're in some situation to where you're just rushing to get into another situation. Literally. That's all you're doing. But some people will be like rushing to go to work, rushing to go to movies, rushing to go on a date, you know what I mean, dog appointment, little brothers, sisters, you know what I mean, daycare, you know, you gotta get there on time, etc. We've all been put in a situation, or at least been put to the spiritual test to where we were kinda like running behind, you know what I mean, schedule, or running, you know what I mean, a little late on things, running a little tardy. Okay. But also on the flip side, on the other side of the coin, I'm more than sure we've all been in situations, especially in school, where we're like at least waiting for dismissal, waiting for the bell to ring, or just waiting to get out of that class, even if it's online. You know what I mean? And just like as soon as you're looking at the time, it seems like the second you stare at the time, it's like only 1 minute has went by. Like it seemed like the second you actually started like looking at time and like watching time, like for some reason like time seems like it just stretches 1,000 years. It literally seems like it just takes forever for, you know what I mean, it to be over. And it's so weird for whatever that situation is, for just to be over. Anytime you like start watching the time, start paying attention to it, it's like, you know what I mean? Like, how come it takes forever? Like, I'm more than sure, like, that phenomenon happened. There's so many people, it's crazy. I asked so many questions before I even made this video, and that's why I have come to the conclusion that it just needs to be validated. So, you know what, family? Yes, it's your boy, General Spooky, and yes, I do coin this theory, because if you even go on YouTube right now, like, look at all the other little time, like, freezing videos and stuff like that, you're not gonna find it, family. So, if y'all do, you know what I mean, hear anything about that, that's outside of, you know what I mean, what I'm telling y'all in a second, you know what I mean, let me know. But with that being said, I hope y'all share this video. I hope y'all love this tip. Let's hop straight into it. So look, boom. Now that you guys understand like those two sides aspects of the psychology that I'm about to give you, now here's a spiritual gem. Okay, look. And nothing in this universe is free. Everything costs. Whether it's actual money, time, or energy, it will cost you in some way, form, or fashion. Okay, now with that being said, we also understand that we invest in the things we want. If we want to become a good athlete, we invest the time in it. You know what I mean? We work out our body. You see what I'm saying? We work out our skills, our breath, our techniques, everything. You just invest in time. You understand that anything that you would like in this world, you will at least have to invest in it somehow. You see what I'm saying? At least anything that you would care to be good at. I don't care if it's a beautician, you do hair. You see what I'm saying? That takes time. And you also learn as you go. You know what I mean? But also even energy. You see what I'm saying? I'm more than sure. Like some people like, I don't feel like going in, I don't feel like, you know what I mean, getting out of bed or blah blah blah. You see what I'm saying? We all understand that like everything also takes energy. Even if you was to accept something, rather even if it was verbally, you didn't even have to get out of bed, but it took the energy for you to actually utter that vibration out of your mouth. So understand that every single thing in this universe cost. Okay, now the hugest, the most biggest gift that we all take for granted, family, is being present. Being present, I'm talking about being completely captivated in the moment. We take that for granted when it's the hugest gift, and that's why the present is the present, because it's the gift that keeps on giving. You see what I'm saying? And not in no little sexual, weird, little off way that people try to, you know what I mean, make it to be before. But also, you see what I'm saying? By you being present, here's your time. By you being present, you have the to freeze time. Yes, by you being present, you unlock your spiritual gifts. You are magic. You are spiritual. You are powerful. You are a king. You are a queen. You see what I'm saying? You are spirit. You are magic. You see what I'm saying? And by you being present, you literally unlock the spiritual keys of what it takes to freeze time. Because think about something. Think about something freezing. Okay, we're gonna use water. When water is freezing, you see what I'm saying? The molecules that are inside of the water are actually beginning to slow down. Now, understand the word freezing and frozen. When something is frozen, it's solitude, you know what I mean? It's hard to shake up, you know what I mean? It's firm. But when something is freezing, it's like, have you ever had like icy water, but it's still kind of like watery, but you start to see the ice start to like kind of take place over the top. But if you poke it, you can pry right through the first little layer of ice and it'll like swish around in the little cup or anything that you're using. Yes, that's because it's in the process of freezing. When something is freezing, it's being slowed. You see what I'm saying? Now we're freezing time. I'm not saying that you're going to be able to stop time like all those little fake little movies and shows and like the little clips that you just seen. I'm not saying that you're going to be able to stop time, but what I am saying is that you do have access to the ability of actually freezing it and slowing it. And it's your cosmic ability that you should have always been cognitively aware of. But it's no worries, family. That's why you got your General Spooky here to enlighten you and to validate that everything that you thought your entire life is true. So yes, family, when you pay attention to time, here's the gem. When you pay attention to time, it does slow down. I repeat, it does slow down. And also an extra gem that you guys can even probably catch on my Patreon sometimes if a lot of stuff like this interests you, because I will be speaking about how to time travel probably like around like December 2021. You see what I'm saying? But also make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this video, because we're on our goal to reaching 10,000 subscribers by January, you know what I mean, by next year. So make sure that you kind of support the team. You see what I'm saying? We are a family. And yes, back to your tip, you know what I mean? I just had to put that disclaimer out there. But also, family, when you pay attention to time, keyword pay, you're paying, you're using your spiritual equity to advance in this moment, or using your spiritual equity to access this moment, access this spiritual key. And what is the spiritual key in this moment, family? The spiritual key is freezing time. It's being slowed. You're slowing time. And how do you do that, family? Like I told you once before, is you pay attention to it. Oh, that's cool. Hey, look at that. 323. You see what I'm saying? But yes, you pay attention to it. Because everybody knows when you watching a clock, when you was ever in school as a little boy or a little girl, and you know what I mean, you ever in a situation where you're watching it and you're just watching it, it takes forever. And that's because it's supposed to. It's because you're subconsciously activating your spiritual abilities that we have never been aware of. We haven't been taught to be aware of these things, and we never had somebody to actually validate that, yo, what am I doing? Why does this make sense? Why does coincidence always happen? You see what I'm saying? I'm here to validate that is exactly why that's happening. It's because you're slowing down time. And if you want to use time, you know what I mean, to your benefit, then I'll suggest that you actually kind of like take your mobile device and unlock it and kind of unlock the timer on it. You know what I mean? So like your screen won't time out as fast. And you just like, if you're in a rush, you know you about to do something, you want to save yourself some time. A great mechanism and a great instrument to saving yourself some time is to watch it. Keyword, pay attention. Because the tension that you're paying for from the universe, you are now receiving. You now have access to. Keyword, you've already paid for it. You're using your time, which you will never get back. And the universe, the Most High, knows that you will never get that time back. It is extremely important. It's a beautiful process, and it counts. So the universe is going to make sure it counts for you, because now you are keying aware and you're keying in on your spiritual sense, so you deserve it. Because you are aware and you understand. Even if it happens subconsciously, we all can agree that, you know what I mean, when we stare at the time, you know what I mean, it always takes forever. Or anytime we're having fun, or we're love doing what we're doing, or we're just truly enjoying ourselves, we truly enjoying the moment. We're at a party, we're at a friend's house, we're out, we're really enjoying everything that we're doing, and you kind of like miss the time. Time just flies by when you're doing something you love. You see what I'm saying? And that's nothing but the truth. Now imagine you being able to do something you love, but also being able to save some time. Okay, like I know I need to do this. Focus on it. Watch it. Or if you know, okay, I'm running a little late. You see what I'm saying? Slow down. Become present. You see what I'm saying? Because a lot of people, anytime they start to like worry, like I need to rush to go to work, or I need to rush to go to this date. You know what I mean? A couple key things start to happen to them. You see what I'm saying? Like their expectation failure definitely begins to take place. Frustration definitely begins to take place because now you're rushing. You see what I'm saying? Doubt, because now you're doubting your accessibility of, okay, I can put on my shoes, I still got to shower, I still got to make sure I go pick up my friend, blah, blah, blah. You're doubting the process of you being able to arrive, you know what I mean, punctually. You see what I'm saying? So you're doubting your punctuality, you know what I mean? And your last but not least, you're worried. You're worried about, okay, you know what I mean? Am I going to be able to get here on time? Or, you see what I'm saying? Am I going to be able to spread myself then to make this short framed reality a reality? And I'm letting you know right now that just take your time, become present, you know what I mean? Take a load off and just breathe. You see what I'm saying? And a great way to do that is to do whatever you're doing. Like I told you, once again, that second key is to not only unlock your phone, but unlock your phone and take the timer off and pay attention to the time. Hold your phone in your hand while you're doing whatever you're doing. Put it down really quick, but watch the time because we all know it slows when you pay for it. And that's your spiritual equity. You already know what time it is. It's your boy General Spooky. I can't wait. I couldn't wait to come back and give y'all. I have hundreds of tips. I'm literally right now, like writing down in my book right now. You see what I'm saying? Just I got them rolling for you. I got them rolling for you. I love you guys. I can't wait to give y'all so many more tips. Please stay tuned. The Patreon will be lit. I just moved back into my new beautiful home. You see what I'm saying? So now I'm in it. I'm zoned in. I can't wait to give it to you. Once again, I love you guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe this video.